Hi everyone! Today we are going to make marbled tangyuan with a black sesame filling. Tangyuan or yuanxiao is a popular Chinese treat made from glutinous rice flour. Black sesame tangyuan have a delightful mochi-like texture with a center of sweet, fragrant filling. Traditionally, it's served at the Lantern Festival. The round shape symbolizes family unity and togetherness. Now let's get started. To make the filling, in a small food processor or blender, blend the roasted sesame until it resembles coarse sand. Place it in a bowl, add the sugar, and mix. Add the butter and mix until it's fully combined and smooth. Divide the filling into 20 portions, about 5 grams each. Put them in the freezer until they're hardened, which will take at least 2 hours. In the meantime, let's make the dough. Add the rice flour in a large bowl, then mix it with the boiling water. Then add the room temperature water and stir until it's fully combined. Next, knead it until the dough is smooth. Cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. After taking the filling out of the freezer, roll out the portions into balls. To make white tangyuan, roll the dough out into a long piece. Cut it into 20 pieces, about 15 grams each. Then round them out. Use your thumb to flatten the middle. Now place a ball of filling in the center of the wrapper and gather the dough up around it. Pinch and seal the seam and shape it into a ball. Then do the same for the rest of the pieces. Next, I'll be showing you how to make natural food coloring to dye the tangyuan, so skip ahead to the timestamp in the description if you would like to proceed with the plain white tangyuan. To make natural food coloring for the marbled tangyuan, depending on the colors you want, you can wash spinach, peel and thinly slice a carrot, slice blueberry and raspberry into halves, put them on the tray of a dehydrator. If you don't own a dehydrator, you can use your oven at the lowest temperature. Start up the dehydrator, and after the fruit and vegetables are dried, you can use a spice or coffee grinder to grind them into a powder. Now you'll have green, orange, purple, and pink natural food coloring powders.
Use a grinder on hibiscus flowers to get a fine dark red powder.
Do the same with butterfly pea flowers, and you'll have a blue powder.
For a yellow color, we can use turmeric.
Add the food coloring of your choice to a piece of the dough and knead until it's evenly colored. Take a white dough and colored dough and roll them out into 2 long pieces. Put them together, then cut it into pieces weighing about 15 grams each. Press the 2 layers together, then break it in half. Put one on top of another, then break it in half again. Repeat this a few times, then roll it into a ball. Once again, use your thumb to flatten the middle of the ball, place a lump of filling in the middle, and gather the dough up around the filling. Pinch and seal the seam and shape it into a ball. Then do the same for the rest of the pieces in any color you choose. To cook the tangyuan, in a medium-sized pot of boiling water over medium-low heat, cook the tangyuan in batches. Keep boiling until they float, stirring occasionally, and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a bowl and serve them hot. And you're done! Enjoy your sweet tangyuan! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.